Welcome to Ridji. Now we are continuing the chapter straight lines here. In that JEE problems related to material, that is module 1 here. In module 1 we have several topics. Based on the topics we have to discuss some more problems related to that particular topic here. In that module 1. Module 1. So, in this module 1, we have the first topic is slope of a line. Topic name is slope of a line. So, based on this topic, we have several problems in our material. So, according to that topic, we have to discuss some problems related to slope of a line. In module 1, we have all the topics which are related to straight line, and each and every topic, we have to discuss several problems here. In that, the first problem is, if the line passing through the points, first problem, if the line passing through the point passing through the points minus 8 comma 3 and 2 comma 1 is parallel to the line passing through the point, passing through the points 11 comma minus 1 and k comma 0, 11 comma minus 1, k comma 0, and then the value of k is, see here, this is a question related to straight lines in module 1, the first question. So first, if you want to solve this problem here, if the line is passing through the points, here, first understand the question, whatever the question he is given. If the line is passing through the points minus 8 comma 3, 2 comma 1 is parallel to the line passing through the points 11 comma minus 1 and k comma 0, then the value of here two straight lines. First understand the solution. I'm not writing any options here, directly I'm solving. If required, I will write the options here. So for this problem we don't want any options, you can solve directly here. Here two straight lines are there. These 2 points are related to this straight line and these 2 points are related to this straight lines, but he is saying they are parallel. According to our knowledge, if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, according to our knowledge, their slopes are equal. So m1 is equal to m2. So m1, when 2 points are given, formula of slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is a formula here. This is x1, this is y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, and m1 is equal to m2. No need to write all the steps here, just understanding purpose I am writing here. y2 minus y1, y1 minus of minus 3 divided by 2 minus 8 here. See here, our question is minus 8 to minus 8. This is minus 8 and this is plus 3 here. So minus 8 plus 3 I am taking. So this is a question wrong here. Minus 8 plus 3, and so it will become, so y2 minus y minus 3, 1 minus 3, and 2 minus of minus 8, 2 minus of minus 8. then it is equal to m2. m2 is minus 0 minus of minus 1 divided by k minus 11. So m1 minus m1 is equal to m2. So minus 2 by 2 plus 10, 2 plus 8 10, and minus 2 minus become plus 1 k minus 11. So do 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So this is equal to minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by k minus 11. Do cross multiplication. So minus 1 into k minus 11 is equal to 5. So minus, if you multiply minus k plus 11 is equal to 5. So minus k is equal to 5 minus 11. Minus k is equal to minus 6. Minus minus get cancelled, that is equal, k is equal to 6 here. So this is the answer for k value here. So this is a complete process for this one. So if you want to solve in quick way, just no need to write all the sentence here, just write this one. So directly you can write the solution. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. So directly you can write, so y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3, 2, 2 minus of minus 8 by 10, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 minus of minus 8 is 10 is equal to, next 0 minus 1, 0 minus of minus 1, 1, k minus 11. So 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So do cross multiplication. If you multiply minus k plus 11, that is equal to 5. So minus k is equal to minus 6, then k is equal to 6. So you need to solve only this portion of solution by when comes to competitive exam. Here no need to write all these points here, just this one is required to solve the problem here. This is all about the first problem. And the second problem in the same topic, slope of a line. Here, second problem, if each of the points that is the first one a comma minus 4 and a comma 4 and the second point is minus 2 comma b. Second point lies on the line joining points, lies on the line joining the points lies on the line joining the points 2 comma minus 1, 5 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 1 and 5 comma minus 3. So 2 comma minus 1, 5 comma minus 3. Then the point AB lies on the line. Then the point A comma B lies on the line here. So for this problem we required the options here. The first one 6x plus 6y 25, 6x plus 6y minus 25 is equal 0 and b is equal to x plus 3y plus 1, x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0 and d 2x plus 3y minus 1, 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 here. So these are the options here. So next solution. First understand the question he is given. Each of the points a comma b, here 2 points are given. Each of the points a comma 4 minus 2 comma b lies on the joining points of here 2 points. Then the point a comma b lies on. Here understand clearly. So first First he is given 2 points here. So from these 2 points we have a straight line equation here. So here I am taking 2 points, a comma 4 and minus 2 comma b, and 2 comma minus 1 and 5 comma minus 3. Here 2 points. From these 2 points we will get the equation. From these 2 points also we will get the equation. But here we have a and b values here. So from these 2 points I am taking an equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. When 2 points of a line is given, the formula to find the equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is nothing but slope here. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's substitute the values here. Y minus of minus is nothing, y plus 1. Y plus 1 I am directly multiplying here. y2 minus y1, y minus 3, minus into minus become plus. So minus 3 plus 1 here divided by x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2. So x minus x1 is nothing but x minus 2 here. So y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 2 here. So let's multiply 3 to this side. 3 into y, 3y plus 3, minus 2 into x plus 2 plus 4 here. So let's bring all the terms to this side. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. If you bring 4 to this side, this will become minus 1. 2x is become positive. Already 3y is positive. This is a straight line equation. So for this straight line, these 2 points should satisfy here. These 2 points should satisfy this straight line. So 2 of, let's substitute the value. A comma minus 4 implies a comma 4 implies this is x and this is y, this is x and this is y. Let's substitute this point in this equation. 2 into a plus 3 into 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2a plus 12 minus 1, that is equal to 2a is equal to minus 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. If you send right hand side, that will become minus 11. So minus 11 by 2. We got a value here. And this point minus 2 comma b, if you substitute this point in this expression, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into b minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 to ja minus 4 plus 3b minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5, that will become 5 here. So 3b is equal, that implies b is equal 5 by 3 here. So let's substitute a and b values in this expression. It should satisfy as 0. If you substitute in this expression, minus 11 by 2, 6, first option, minus 11 by 2 and plus 6, 5 by 3, minus 11, minus 25, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, minus 33 plus 15 minus 25. So is it possible to cancel here? Both are positive, higher is positive, negative is higher value and positive is lower value. Not possible here. And the next one, this is wrong answer. Next, x plus 3y. X is nothing but 11 by 2 and here y, because this a comma b is minus 11 by 2, b is 5 by 3. So this point should lies any one of these points. That's why I am substituting here. So 11 by 2 and 3 into 5 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, minus 11 by 2 plus 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. If you take LCM, that is 12. So not possible here. This is also wrong answer. Next, you should be faster in calculation. 2 into minus 11 by 2 and plus 6 into 5 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the third option. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, and 2 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Minus 11 plus 2 5 ja, 10 plus 1 is equal to 0 and minus 11, 10 plus 1, 11 is equal to 0, plus 11 minus 11 get cancelled, this is a 0. This point is satisfying the as option C here. So this is the answer for this question here. Now the second topic in module 1 is slope and intercept form and slope and point form and 2-point form. Here 3 forms are there. What is mean by slope and intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is a slope. Here m is the slope and c is the intercept. And slope and point form. Slope and point form, that is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 y1 be a point here. So next 2-point form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is a 2 points, x1 y1. This is 2-point form. These are the 3 models in this topic here. So in this topic, the first problem of slope and intercept form here. So if you look at this question, first read and understand the question whatever he is given. The equation of straight line cutting on an intercept 8 on x-axis and making an angle of 60 degrees with a positive direction of y-axis. Let's see the diagrammatical representation for this one. So this is x-axis, x dash, and y dash. This is origin. So here one straight line I am taking. This is a straight line. This straight line is cutting off an intercept of 8 on x-axis. This is 8 comma 0. This is 8 comma 0. The distance from origin to here 8 comma 0 and y is 0 here and here, and the next one is here, making an angle of 60 degrees with a positive y-axis. This is y-axis with a 60 degrees of positive y-axis, that is 60 degrees here. This is automatically when coordinates are, this is 90. So automatically what will happen here? This is 30 degrees. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is equal to 180. 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180. Total 180 degrees. See here. So the solution. Here first we have slope. We want slope. Slope is nothing but slope formula. M is equal to tan theta. But here we want, if you want the slope value here the angle should know here. This angle should know here. This is 30 here. So this is in the negative direction here. So that's why it should take tan theta of is equal to minus 30 degrees. So let's tan theta is equal to minus 30 degrees. Then it will become minus 1 by root 3. This is nothing but slope here. And he is given intercept. C is equal to intercept how many units? 8 here, and the point is 8 comma 0, that is x1 comma y1. So the slope and intercept formula is slope and intercept formula. Form is intercept form, only form is y is equal to mx plus c here. So let's substitute. First we need to find slope and form. It's slope and point form here. Slope and point form. That is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M into x minus x1 here. Y minus y1 is here 0 and m is nothing but minus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3, x minus 8 here. So let's cross multiply, that is equal to y is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x minus 8. So now multiply root 3 into y here is equal to 0 and minus of x plus x minus 8. Now root 3y minus x plus 8. Next if you bring this side, x plus root 3y is equal to 8. This is the final solution for this question here. So first he is given a straight line that is intersecting the coordinate axis at 8 units of x-intercept and 60 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis here, and here these two angles are we know. So other angle is 30 degrees. This is the negative direction here. So that's why here we are taking theta is equal to minus 30. Tan minus 30 is equal to minus 1 by root 3. He C is equal to, he is given 8 and point is nothing but 8 comma 0. Slope and point form y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Let's substitute this point 0 and 8 here, and slope is minus 1 by 3. After solving, we will get the equation of straight line here. This is the equation of straight line, x plus root 3y is equal to 8. This is the equation of this straight line here. So this is all about this question. And the next point is, next topic. In module 1, the next topic and the next question. And the next topic is intercept and intercept form. Intercept and intercept form. Intercepts and intercept form. Intercept form. What are intercepts here? So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the intercept one, where a comma b are intercepts. So this is the introduction about this topic here, and the question is question number 6 here. Question number 6. Equation of line which passes through the points. Equation of line which passes through the point minus 3 comma 8 and cut off positive intercepts on positive intercept on axis whose sum is 7. Axis whose sum is 7. So this is the question he is given. First you have to understand the question he is given, and he is given the question equation of line which passes through the point minus 3 comma 8 and cut off positive intercept axis on whose sum is 7 here. So let us take the diagrammatical representation. This is x dash, y dash, and this is origin 0 comma 0, and here I am taking a line. This is a line, and here it is taking a comma 0. This point is 0 comma b. A comma 0 and 0 comma b. Here a and b are, a comma b are intercepts. A comma b are intercepts. So he is given one point, that is minus 3 comma 8, minus 3 comma 8 also. But here whose sum, the sum of two intercepts a plus b is equal to 7 he is given. But here we require the options, like the options are option A 3x minus 4y is equal to 12, and second one 4x plus 3y is equal to 12, 4x plus 3y is equal to 12, and the third one 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, 3x plus 4y equal to 12, and fourth one 4x minus 3y is equal to 12, 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 here. See here, if you is given the condition, no need to solve any problem, any solution here. The sum of two intercepts is 7 here. It may be 4 or 3. Why? Because here in all the options he is given 3 4 3 4 3 4 3 4 like this. So for this equation, if you substitute for this equation x by a, the intercept form is x by a plus y by 3 is equal to 1. For example, if you take 4 3 one time, 4x plus 4y by 3, 4 by x by 4, y by 3 is equal to 1, or x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So if you take LCM, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, or 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Let's substitute this point in this equations. Let's substitute in this point in this equation here. 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 8 is equal to 12. So 3 3 ja minus 9, 8 4 ja 32 is equal to 12. So this is not equal. So that's why this is wrong. And the next one, 4 into minus 3 plus 8 into 3 is equal to 12 here. 4 3 ja minus 12, 8 4 ja 24 is equal to 12. 24 minus 12, 24 minus 12 is 12. 12 is equal to 12. So this is the right option. 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 here. This is the correct answer for this one. So first understand this question. This is the coordinate axis I am taking, a comma 0 and 0 comma b, where a comma b are intercepts here. He is given 1 point. The sum of two roots is given 3, ax plus a plus b is equal to 3. In the all the option, if you look at 3 4 4 3 3 4 or combinations are there. So 4 3 I am taking. So it may be 4 3 or it may be 3 4. So this is the standard form of equation. X by 4 y by 3 is equal to 1, x by 3 y by 4 is equal to 1. If you take LCM, this is the equation. If you take LCM, this is the equation. So let's substitute this point in this equation. Why? Because this point should satisfy this equation. So if you substitute in this equation, it is not equal. So if you substitute in this equation, 12 is equal to 12. So this is the final answer for this question is here.